Hi everyone! Today I'm going to unbox this package from an interesting brand that we are going to work with, of essential oils, and they also have wonderful diffusers with an interesting technique, which is really unique for them. And I'm going to unpack it now. It's our first order, so I'm really curious. It's a surprise for me as well, and it already smells wonderfully. So. And the good thing is that they're also they're 100% natural, the oils, and there are also organic oils in between. And I've ordered a package with little bottles of aromas, of essential oils, and the diffuser. And today it's wonderful weather, so I thought, let's do it on the terrace outside. We're in Portugal. It's amazing weather, so I was like, let's do it like this, with a beautiful sight. Okay, so I'm really curious. The wonderful thing is for this diffuser with the special technology, you don't need any water or anything else, and you can just put the oil in the diffuser, and then you can enjoy the scent, which is quite unique. And this is made from glass. Oh, it's really cute. And so here's the plug and an essential oil with it as well, lemon. And here's the box with the little bottles with aromas, single oils and blends as well. Wow, it's amazing, right? So I'm going to enjoy this, and we'll make another video where I'll demonstrate everything, and yeah, I'll say enjoy if you also want to experience it. See you next time. Bye.